crispy kurkuri bhindi.
This okra is not the slimy one you ever had. This is the best thing. Either you can have it on the site or you can have it as appetizer. Never it's gonna be fail on either of the purpose. So if we say crispy, this is crispy. Crispy like this. You'll never forget the taste. You'll never see the okra layered with the flavors and the taste. So this is fresh okra. We use the gram flour. We use all the Indian spices. Deep fried it to the crisp and it's ready to have it. Today we're gonna do this okra with the dal. Yellow dal mostly you guys know with the name of des. In other terms we call it dal tadka. This is the best combination with that. We're gonna work on the dal tadka right today with this thing. So next thing gonna be the dal tadka. Let's do that too and we'll come back. Kurkuri bhindi combines tangy and spicy flavors for a truly detectable experience. Let's take the whole fresh okra, then cut both the ends nice and neatly like this. It's an easy to make snack that's both gluten free and vegan. Whether fried or baked, Kurkuri Bhindi offers a satisfyingly crispy texture. So cut the okra from the both ends and then we cut this okra like this, like sliced into thin strips. Like this. Prepare your taste buds for a crunchy delight. Kurkuri Bhindi is a vibrant and flavorful Indian snack featuring okra sliced into thin strips, seasoned with aromatic spices and fried to golden perfection. We cut all the okra into thin strips like this and then we will season it with the spices. Most of the spices we're gonna use is like salt, red chili powder, and then some dry mango powder. Mango powder brings like a tangy taste to it, so we're gonna use that a bit. And then also we're gonna use the chaat masala. Chaat masala is also for the seasoning, very famous for Indian seasoning. Whether you use that on ready to serve snacks or you can use it to marinate something like the one we're gonna use now. So first of all we're gonna take the salt. Red chili powder. Red chili powder you can use more or less as per your desire of spiciness to the dish. Red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, little bit, you're gonna enhance the taste. Amchur powder is dry mango powder. We use a little bit of that and then chaat masala as well together. And we gonna use the fresh lemon juice. That lemon juice gonna help us to get the bhindi layered with both the flours we're gonna use. So the flours we're going to use today is besan. Besan is actually gram flour. That's the flour made out of chickpeas, lentil. You see it's all layered and it's ready to layer the besan on it. We use little bit of besan and little bit of cornstarch as well. So both these things actually keep this dish gluten free and vegan as well. Is the cornstarch. So little bit of cornstarch. The wetness of lemon juice help layer both the flowers on it. So the flour's gonna be stick on all the strips evenly. Now we'll fry it. When you start frying it, one of the tip is to keep the oil as hot as you can, so that when we fry it, it's not gonna be saggy and oil not gonna be get inside the okra, but it's gonna be just making it golden crispy to the perfection. Whether fried or baked, kurkuri bhindi offers a satisfyingly crispy texture. So once it's fried to the golden crisp, we'll take it out and we'll serve it. It's ready to go then. Here, look at the texture and the look of the crispy bhindi. You never imagine a taste come out of okra this way. Prepare your taste buds for a crunchy delight. Kurkuri bhindi is a vibrant and flavorful Indian snack featuring okra sliced into thin strips, seasoned with aromatic spices and fried to golden perfection. Enjoy. Please place the comment in the comment section, subscribe, share and follow my cooking channel Curry Aras. Thank you and keep watching.